Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today we're doing a nice little abstract painting on, I believe this is a 12 by 16. Just gonna be very nice, some nice natural colors. We're not going too crazy. This is our color palette here. I'm sure I will put it up on the screen somewhere so you know the colors. They're also in the description. All right, I just want to get right into this. And guys, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm back in here. I actually do really like the development in this. I kind of had a slightly different plan, but I actually do like it. And I even went back over with the rings because I actually did like that neon yellow in there. I did not use the popsicle sticks or this swiper, but we did utilize almost all the other tools in that opening scene there. So if you guys need to recreate this in any way, I mean, obviously being abstract might be very difficult, I guess. Yeah. I will go in for a close-up, and I will see you later. Bye.